The used car market, much like the weather, can be unpredictable. However, unlike the weather, there are underlying factors influencing used car prices that can help you make an informed decision. So is this a good time to buy a used car? Let's find out. Here's a breakdown of the current landscape to help you determine if buying one now is the right move for you. Falling prices are perhaps the most compelling reason. Used car prices, which soared during the pandemic due to new car inventory shortages, have begun a welcome descent. According to Kelley Blue Book, used car prices have dropped an average of 2% over the past month, and wholesale auction prices, which dictate dealer purchase costs, have seen even steeper declines. This trend is expected to continue throughout 2024, albeit at a slower pace. While pre-pandemic normalcy hasn't fully returned, the new car market is showing signs of improvement. This translates to a more balanced flow in the used car market. Dealers are holding onto used car inventory for slightly longer periods, giving you more options and potentially more bargaining power. Now tends to be a time when many leases expire, flooding the market with used cars. This can be a great opportunity to find a well-maintained vehicle at a competitive price, especially for popular models with typically high lease take rates. While interest rates are on the high side, they remain on par with general inflation. Securing financing now could lock you into a more favorable rate compared to recent years. However, it's crucial to factor in the overall cost of the car, not just the monthly payment. Though prices are declining, the used car market is still recovering from pandemic disruptions. The full extent and duration of price decreases remain uncertain. External factors like unexpected global economic shifts or supply chain issues could again impact this trend. While used car prices are on a downward slope, the rate of decline may accelerate as the year progresses. Waiting a few more months could potentially get you even better deals, especially as new car production continues to ramp up. If you have your heart set on a specific model year, waiting might be wise. New model releases often lead to price drops for the previous year's versions. Consider researching upcoming releases to see if waiting a few months could save you money. Finding the right car goes beyond just timing the market. Here are some additional factors to weigh in on your decision. The most important thing is finding a car that meets your needs and budget. Don't get caught up in the timing game if the perfect car becomes available now, but doesn't suit your lifestyle or financial situation. A used car's condition is very important. Regardless of when you buy, prioritize a thorough inspection by a trusted mechanic before finalizing the purchase. This can identify any potential problems and help you negotiate a better price. Don't be afraid to negotiate, especially in a buyer's market. Research comparable car prices online using resources like Kelley Blue Book or Edmunds. Use that information to leverage a better deal from dealerships or private sellers. Consider certified pre-owned vehicles from new car dealerships. These often come with warranty coverage and have undergone inspections, potentially offering peace of mind. CPO cars might cost slightly more than non-certified options, but the added warranty can be valuable depending on the vehicle's age and mileage. The financing options available to you will significantly impact your overall car buying experience. Here are some key points to consider. Don't just rely on the financing offered by the dealership. Get pre-approved for a loan from your bank or credit union to compare rates and terms. This will give you more bargaining power with the dealership's financing department. Putting down a larger down payment can significantly lower your monthly payment and the total amount of interest you'll pay over the loan term. The cost of car insurance will vary depending on your age, driving history, location, and the specific vehicle you choose. Factor in estimated insurance costs when budgeting for your car purchase. There's no single answer to whether now is the best time to buy a used car. The decision hinges on your individual needs, risk tolerance, and financial situation. If you urgently need a car and can find a good deal on a reliable vehicle, there's no reason to wait. You'll likely benefit from the current downward price trend and improved selection. If you're flexible and can wait a few months, you might score an even better deal as prices continue to decline. However, there's no guarantee prices will drop significantly, and you might miss out on the perfect car in the meantime. Ultimately, the best approach is to be an informed buyer. Here are some additional tips. Determine how much you can comfortably afford to spend on a car, including the purchase price, financing costs, insurance, and ongoing maintenance. Once you know what type of car you're interested in, research specific models and their reliability ratings. Consumer Reports and JD Power are good resources for this information. And don't skip the test drive. This is your chance to get a feel for the car and ensure it meets your needs in terms of comfort, performance, and functionality. While dealerships offer convenience, you might find better deals on private listings. However, be extra cautious when buying from private sellers and always get a mechanic's inspection before finalizing the purchase. Buying a used car can be a smart financial decision. By understanding the current market trends, considering your individual needs, and doing your research, you can increase your chances of finding a reliable and affordable vehicle. Remember, the used car market is constantly evolving, so staying informed and being patient will help you navigate your way to a successful purchase. But if you're itching for a new car, here are some of the hottest on the market today.